Mainers will be voting on a number of important referendums this November, including those living in Washington County who are being asked to pass a bond to address the county's budget crisis. News Center Maine's Drew Peters has more from county officials in Machias.
Well, good afternoon, folks.
Washington County commissioners and Budget Advisory Committee members.
There were a lot of accounting errors made and a lot of decisions that probably shouldn't have been made.
Urging residents again to pass a bond they say will help keep the county afloat as it faces a $3 million budget deficit and about $8 million of debt owed to Machias Savings Bank.
The bond allows each municipality to just take a look at their financial situation and take a look at what their part of the TAN payoff would be and then make a decision that works best for them.
The bond is asking for up to $11 million spread over 10 years, but commissioners now say they voted to only spend $8 million to cover the debt. Debts that, if not repaid, could make it more difficult for the Budget Advisory Committee to lower the 40% budget increase proposed and drastically reduce critical services like the sheriff's office.
Are we going to cut E911? Are you going to call 911 some night and get an answering machine? I mean, these are the questions that we're going to have to confront.
While they understand the potential impacts, some county residents say they should have been notified as soon as commissioners were aware of the situation.
They could have told us about it as soon as they were sworn in January, if they wanted to.
Other opponents like State Representative Will Toole argue the bond also doesn't address the underlying budget mismanagement that created the deficit.
The audits are incomplete. The budget is incomplete.
That's why he's looking to introduce a bill that would allow county residents to vote directly on the county's budget through referendum.
It just gives that extra layer of oversight.
Regardless of the outcome, though, both sides say Washington County needs to move forward together to solve its budget crisis.
While it's fun to point fingers, we're just essentially pointing them at ourselves. We're just going to hurt ourselves.
In Machias, Drew Peters, News Center, Maine.
And the deadline for Washington County residents to vote for or against the bond is November 4th.